All right, if you've ever sprayed weeds in your yard, then you know the problem. You just get those bottles that you spray and eventually your hand's gonna cramp up or the bottle's gonna run out. You just have enough solution to cover your entire yard. So enter today's solution right here, which is a backpack sprayer. This is one of the coolest things. It actually makes doing chores fun. And honestly, I don't mind doing the work if you have the right tool. And this is going to be one of those right tools for the job when you're doing spraying pesticides, weed killer, fertilizer, anything like that. You have to cover a large surface area quick. This is going to get the job done. Now, right out of the gate, I'm going to tell you guys the feel on this is really awesome. The spring-loaded action really bounces back in your hand. It makes you feel like this was made from quality and not some cheap plastic Hot Wheel toy or something like that, right? You get a couple different tubes right here on the side. You have this black tube right here, or you have this stainless steel tube. I like to use the same stainless steel tube for my harsher chemicals like my weed killer, pesticides, and then I use the black one for if I'm just going to be doing missing plants or fertilizer or anything like that, like feeding the garden, right? So that's just kind of how I like to rock. Now, I'm using the shower nozzle today because we're going to be covering a large surface area, but this kit actually gives you a lot of nozzles. So it actually can extend as well. So if you need to get up to high places, or if you just don't want to bend down, you can get that further reach right there. So that's a pretty good reach right there. It's probably like 3 feet of reach. So that's pretty good. All right. One of the things that I've had these in the past, and one of the first things I look for in quality is these straps. These straps often will snap on you or break on you after a while, especially if you leave this outside. It works outside, but the sun kind of gets to it. These straps, I'm going to tell you, I don't really like talking so much about straps, but the way that these are built, the quality of these straps, they deserve to be talked about. Out of the gate, you just have this buckle right here, but then you have it secured down here. That's not coming out. It's secured here, and then you have a back assist right here with padding. I'm just saying these straps are really high quality. They're not going anywhere. Then you got your back padding, your back support right here as well. And to turn it on, over here, waterproof, so it's not going to spray. You just kick this. You turn this nozzle for the amount of pressure that you want to have out, and then obviously your power button, and then your mix button. So if you need to mix that solution, you just do that right there for a little bit, and you can mix up your water and whatever solution that you have in there. So the other side, really quick, this is where you're going to house your battery. Now they do give you 2 batteries, so that's nice. So if this one runs out, you just slap it on the charger and you pull the other one, you throw that one in because you have that one charged, ready to go. So they give you 2 of those batteries. Now up top you get a filter for your solutions, and then inside you can see maybe right there that little fan. That's how it mixes your solution. So you got a little fan in there for your pre-mixing solution. You see that little fan right there? That's going to be when I press the button, it spins just like that. That's going to mix your solution, so you know you're not just spraying water on everything, right? And then right here you get an awesome little storage area, an awesome little storage compartment. I usually keep a couple nozzles in here, and then obviously I like to hold this in there as well because this helps me to get my exact ratios. So let me take you on a tour really quick of the nozzles that you get. All right, first up, you're gonna get this nice little brass nozzle that's just gonna be a one spray, like a streaming spray. Then you're gonna get a angled nozzle right here, so if you need to shoot that angle down. All the rest of these are going to be about the angle pretty much, except for this guy right here. Now you do get 2 angles here with 2 sprays. This is really handy if you're doing a garden where you can get the top and the bottom of a row at the same time, which is why I like this one, because I get the top of the area and then I can shoot across the way and get the other one as well. Then you're going to get this kind of like a flat pattern right here, spray that kind of comes out in a fan like this, or you can turn it and it comes out in a fan like this, whatever you need. Bunch of different angles, bunch of different nozzles. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the brass, and I kind of like to just leave them in here so I have them. And then lastly 7 with this big guy right here. I leave this on here this one on here if I use it or don't use it, because it's just a little bit too big to fit into the storage container, and I don't want to lose it. Lastly, before we get started with the job, I'm just going to show you how, like I said, mentioned before, you have the spring right here, or you have the handle you push down, and then you can push that in, and you don't even need to squeeze it, and it's just going to auto flow, and then you just push this back and it shuts it off, right? All right, ain't nothing but to do it, so let's get to it. All right, so got our water in there, we got our solution in there, just kind of turn it on right here. Now I will say there's a difference here where it's not too bad, but sometimes this pressure right here is on the handle. I kind of like it right here because it makes the handle a little lighter, so when you're doing a longer job, I'd rather have the weight on my back than on my hand. So let's get to it. And pre-mix that solution right there as I'm walking over to the job site. All right, so if you want to make yard work fun and enjoyable, stop doing this and start doing this. It's so much fun, and it's going to get the job done in half the time, save your fingers, and save your back from bending down or reaching up. You can get the job done in half the time and have fun doing it.